Hello, it's Giovanna again from Orange Revival Custom Baskets and Gifts. I'm just stopping by to show you guys a quick, simple, and free way to make custom scan and go pages, or you can keep them digital for any holiday, or if you're vendoring for specific events. This is a quick and easy way to do it. It only takes moments. And since we have time in the slower season, you can go ahead and create all of your scan and goes for the upcoming year or next year for 2026. So what you guys are going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and go to ChatGPT, which is www.chatgpt.com. This is my prompt that I used. It's basically telling the computer what to create for you. So what you're going to do is tell it to create a scan and go display sheet for your business. You'll insert your business's name. And you can choose anything that you like or any colors. You can be very specific. That's what's going to make your scan and go design be unique to you. So what I did, since it is coming into Father's Day, I told it to make a Father's Day theme with a dark and bold color font. I did list my form of payments that I do accept, depending on what you accept. You can add Apple Pay, Venmo, Zelle, cash, credit cards, or checks, if you prefer, whatever you use for your business. You can also add your phone number. I did personalize it a little bit more by adding my picture as well. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to get your QR codes from each one, just one form of payment. Okay, so I am logged into PayPal. I'm gonna go back. You can either go here, where it's under pay and get paid. You go to QR code, and this is how you download your QR code. It's really simple and easy, so you're gonna go ahead and download that, and then I'll go back to like ChatGPT. There's a place to also upload those images. So what I'm doing here is, before you start typing, you go here to add photos and files. Okay, just in my little download. So you just will upload your QR code and whatever other images you would like to your scan and go image. You can also add your phone number if you'd like. You can also, to keep it more private, you can put your names, or you don't have to. The first one that I did upload, I did have the names. The second one here, I did not have the names. So yeah, that's basically it, you guys. And I hope that you guys will tag me, show me your designs, and let's stand out from everyone else on the corner. Talk to you guys later. Have a great week. And thank you again for tuning into my video. If you haven't, like, share, and subscribe, and have a